What's going on, everyone? Jack here from Half Chrome, and this is the ZDO15. It is a drone with a 4K camera on a 3-axis gimbal. You can see we've got an obstacle avoidance module on top. We're going to put that to the test. We got brushless motors. This came with a carrying case. There's a lot of good things that happen with this drone, but they're not all good. This is actually my second one of these. The first one I had, it took off and then was unresponsive, and then it crashed. So they sent me a new one and said it's much better. Now, I did take it out for a quick test flight. It flew all right. I did not test the obstacle avoidance. I'm gonna get into that. All right, obstacle avoidance test number 1, pine tree. Let's fly. All right, it's beeping. All right, so is this the drone for you? Let's find out. Yeah, it doesn't want to crash. Look at this. Nah. I mean, it really considered not crashing. All right, let's try again. All right. So it's beeping like it senses something. I don't know what it senses, but something. It's kind of like edging forward. Ooh. All right, so now it's on a swivel, but it's not letting me actually control the drone. Whoa. Okay. So when I move the stick up, come on, you sense it. Yeah, no. I mean, that obstacle avoidance seems to, still spinning. Come on. There we go. Yep. Let's try again. Third time's gonna be a charm. I don't know. So maybe it's not gonna avoid any obstacles coming at me. He's angry. Now we got the toilet bowl of death. All right. So it's certainly, like I was saying, it's certainly not gonna avoid any obstacles, but it'll beep at you and tell you they exist. Man, look at that thing on a swivel. Let's see if I can get a close up. All right, so when whoa, it's not moving, it's just coming at me because it hates me. No, we got this. I'm not doing anything. It's just swivel, swivel, swivel. We got this toilet bowl of death. All right, actually, when I take control, it's like, oh wait, reset. But look, see, it reacts when I say go left or right. It's looking left or right. Forward and back also. All right, let's see. That big old tree. Let's see. See, it's like it's sensing something, but there's really nothing over there. That's weird. All right. Do we see the tree? Let's see. Come on. So it's beeping like it sees something, and then it slowly nudges forward. I mean, it's just kind of constantly on. Now it's just gonna drift. Okay. So, do you want this obstacle avoidance module? I would not pay extra money for it, but that's really up to you. So I had a little fun, but really what we need to do is test out some of these different flight modes, starting with the follow me. All right, so this is the follow me. Let's see. It is following me. I'm not going to test out that obstacle avoidance yet because I'm not so sure about that. So I can operate the gimbal down and up. It is the right wheel, which is a little odd. This left wheel doesn't seem to do anything but maybe beep. Sounds like maybe speed mode. I don't know. It does a decent job of follow me. Let's end that. Surrounding flight, spin in a circle. Okay, surrounding flight, spin a circle, then do an orbit. All right. If I use the left stick, Okay, right stick. And I can still control. Still going. Okay, that's cool. Stop. Actually, let's see GPS mode. Back to GPS mode. Inaccurate. All right, so here we're going to look at some video coming out of this drone. You can see kind of the rounded horizon. We've got a little bit of camera jello, a little bit of shakes in there. The gimbal does do a decent job. You know, this drone isn't incredibly expensive. And, you know, I had some fun, obviously, with the obstacle avoidance. But it's okay. You know, it's a stable enough drone. It gets a decent picture and video. But the question is this what you're looking for, right? Are you okay with video that looks like this? Are you okay with an obstacle avoidance module that alerts you of obstacles? Or are you looking for something a little bit better, right? When you get to about, you know, $200, there's a handful of decent drones out there. I like the Neo at $100. You know, the L200's a really good drone, comparable with this. No obstacle avoidance, but again, does it really work? So you have options, and you get close to $300, and you have really good things to think about. So you got to keep that in mind. Here are a couple of pictures. We get a 4:3 aspect ratio instead of a 16:9. So, yeah, decent, not great. Okay, so what do we have here? We have a typical over-promise, under-delivered drone from China. It's, you know what, if this drone was $100, it'd be a steal. If it was $200, there are better $200 drones out there. But I don't know what it costs. I think it's actually $190 maybe. So just don't rely on this obstacle avoidance, because it's not going to really avoid. Now, it will beep and tell you that there are things there, but it's not really avoiding anything. Camera's okay. It's not fantastic. Flight modes are fine, not fantastic. You know, there are a lot of really good drone options out there. And guess what? I review them all. So if you're interested in finding a good drone for you, do that. Check out the channel. Check out my channel. Check out other channels as well. There's a lot of good drone content out there on YouTube and other places. You can find some really well done reviews. My reviews, are they really well done? No, but they're honest, right? I will tell you what is good and what is bad about a drone, right? This thing, you know, you've seen it in action. Does it avoid obstacles? No. Does it sometimes take off and not respond? Yes. Did it lose connection while I was flying? Absolutely. So what is there that's good about this drone? Well, it's not incredibly expensive. And, you know, I did get a nice carrying case. I mean, check that out. Phone does connect via cable, not via Wi-Fi. That is really actually kind of nice. And look at that, I get telemetry data on the phone as well. So no, it's not a total loser. For $200, I'd rather have a Neo. It's a totally different drone, but got videos on that as well. Hey, thanks for watching. Hopefully this was helpful. Good luck, everyone. Happy flying.